everyone. Today I'm going to guide you how to create a custom fabric mod pack for Exaroton servers. Well, the first thing you want to do obviously is go to software, and then you would want to go to Modpacks, and then you want to click custom fabric. But this is not where you want to upload your mod pack itself. As you can see here, if I try to upload the BMC tree, it will just say this is not a valid server software. So what you want to do is go to this website, fabricmc.net/use/installer. I will be providing links in the description, so don't worry about that. And you click download for Windows. I will be using the Better Minecraft mod pack as an example. You just gotta make sure you download the server pack. If you're using CurseForge, it is usually on the website itself. You go to additional files, and then there it is. So once it's finished downloading, this is what it will look like. You will have the zip folder full of your mod packs, and then you have your fabric installer. You click the fabric installer, and this menu will appear. You would like to go to the server tab and choose the version you want. Go to the launcher location, you make a new folder right here, and then you pick the folder right here, new folder 2, open, and then you click install, and then it will install it right here. But then once it's successfully installed, you want to download the server jar as well. So all you want to do is just upload everything here, and then click install, and just wait it out for a bit. While you are waiting it out, I suggest you to unzip your mod pack, which is what we have right here. You just take everything in the mod pack and drag it into a new folder. And then this is basically the guts of your server. So once Fabric has successfully installed in your server, this is what it will look like in the Files tab of Exaroton. It will look bare bones, but the reason for that is because it doesn't have the guts that you need. So what you want to do is click Upload, and then click Files first, and then what you want to do is go to New Folder 3 here. You install all these. You can't install these two because they're both folders. Only install the files. You want to replace everything. So once that's done, you can upload the folders now. First of all, config, that's going to upload all the files in there, the 134, and then you want to replace everything that's asked, and then once that's done, you upload the mods folder. And now you just wait it out, because it might take a minute or two. Right, so everything has properly uploaded, and if you want to make sure everything uploaded properly, you can check all the folders individually, like mods. You can just go into the mod folder, and then these are all the jar files, all the mods that you have installed. So once you check everything and everything is right, you can just start the server and enjoy the game. So yeah.